Welcome to Boventures. Today we're going to the villas at Disneyland Hotel to give you a little room tour. Now let's go find that wishing star as you head into the Discovery Tower. As you enter the tower, you are greeted with a welcome home sign as it is a Disney Vacation Club resort. And also our favorite part of the hotel is this great mural which has all your fun characters. There's also some new characters from the Wish movie. This new tower celebrates the magic and creativity of some of your favorite Disney animation films. Now let's head over to our room on the second floor. We just got into our room, and this is Deluxe Studio room number 234. I believe it's an hearing accessible studio room, and it's just a standard view. You can see here it has a shower. I love the lighting here. You can kind of guess maybe what room theme this is based off of the flower lily pads. Here's the washroom. Love the artwork. Nice bright tiles. Open this up here. Future Sean here. Since we made this video, it has been confirmed that Disney has purchased the rights to all the H2O products. So now it's going to be Disney branded. H2O branding, but it looks like it's still the same product in there. It also has a shower head, or rainfall shower head, and also a detachable one there. Okay. Hello. Some body lotion. Oh, they still have H2O there, the facial soap. So let's head on over. Let's see, is this anything? No. Head on over to the main living area. Wide zoom here. So yeah, we do have a Princess and the Frog or Tiana bedroom. So Deluxe Studio has a little kitchen sink, a mini fridge here, which is great. You have a Keurig coffee maker. There is a microwave. And since it is DVC, you do have some cutlery. You have the cups, coffee cups. There's plates, some fun bowls. Can opener, bottle opener. Up here, looks like there's a toaster and a ice holder. Then right over here, ooh, wow, a sliding coat rack, or sliding, yeah, coat rack. You can see Tiana's coats in the background there. Then there's a closet here as well with a safe, extra linens. There's a steam iron in there and a laundry basket and a ironing table. There's a fun ottoman here, I like it. And there's a bunch of different drawers here. There's slow closing, which is great. Especially when you have kids that like to open and close things. Another light. So there's a bunch of different lights on these little power strips to turn things on. Looks like USB and USB-C there. That's great. Love all the tile work there for Princess and the Frog. And some great artwork from the movie. I love the little bench. Look at the carpet. Blue skies and sunshine. Yes, indeed. The light though, I turned it on and I was not expecting it to just shine bright. It was actually pretty awesome. And I'll show you outside now, but I'll show it in the morning as well. And there's one more spot to show you, the pull down bed. So let's show outside quick. Oh, you can't see anything out there right now with the reflection. So I'll show that in the morning. And this is the view from our room at 234, standard room. So there's just some foliage back here covering up some of the service buildings and some wood paneling. Here, let's move this to the side. I'll turn this off for a second. And there is the second bed pulled down. Looks like there's probably a light there too. Let's see. No, just a plug in. Oh, there's a light here. So that's nice. Little Tiana sleeping. We'll turn that off. Just USBs there. But yeah, no, love all the little touches here. You can see the stars there. Hopefully you're able to check out some other areas in the hotel one day for other rooms. But you can see it, putting it back up is easy, one hand. And she's back in place. So that is the Deluxe Studio standard room, view room. Hope you enjoyed our little tour. We'll show you some more of it as we stay here. Some different looking thermostats as well. I haven't seen in a hotel in Disney. Here's a little Keurig machine. They have Disney blend, decaf, English breakfast, green tea. They have little condiment kits as well. They have a little Disneyland Hotel in-room dining menu as well. So he was eyeing up the orange vanilla bean creme brulee, chicken tenders, pizza, bunch of different options. Ooh, Wagyu ribeye. Look at the price of that. But look at him. It would be very tasty, I'm sure. Breakfast as well. 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. Whipped yogurt, granola, Mickey-shaped waffle, buttermilk pancakes, breakfast quesadilla. Bunch of different options. You can order breakfast tomorrow before we go to the park. We also got some access to additional rooms at the villas. This is a Sleeping Beauty room. You can see the godmothers in the mirror back there. This is also a Deluxe Studio with the pull-down bed, as you can see. And I love all the touches here in the rooms. It gives me a really similar vibe to the Disney Wish cruise ship with the aesthetics and the themings within the room. And the carpets all have a little saying that relates to the movies. Now let's head over to a one-bedroom lock-off. As you go in, you can see the washer and dryer right at the front. You get a lot of space within this one bedroom, and you have a full kitchen. There's a drop-down ceiling and a three-dimensional art that adds extra depth to the decor. As you can see, the drop-down bed has Louis instead of a sleeping Tiana, and then you also have a single drop-down bed that brings the occupancy up to 5 in this one bedroom. This showroom has great views of the Disneyland Hotel pool area and the water slides. And the saying on this carpet is dreams do come true in New Orleans. Heading over to the washroom here, you have a great portrait of Tiana, and then you see Louis and Ray in the mirror. And here's another overview of the living area in the one bedroom. The master bedroom features a floor-to-ceiling window and also great portrait of the bayou. The bedroom's washroom features a stunning mosaic and has a dual vanity, a shower, and also the toilet there with some great touches in the mirror here as well. And that is going to do it for our little overview of the rooms that we had access to. We thank you to the DVC team for allowing us to visit these rooms. We also made a full-length video tour, so make sure you check it out so you can see all the other amenities here at the hotel. So I was able to do a walkthrough of a one-bedroom lock-off of the Tiana room, or Tiana themed, and then another Deluxe Studio of Sleeping Beauty, and really enjoyed all the different themes that they do have. There is a Fantasia theme as well that we missed. But until next time, thank you for watching, and Boventure is out there.